Hello guys, this is the new integrated amplifier from Hegel. Actually it's a streaming integrated amplifier. It's the new one, H400. This comes and replaces the previous one, H390. And we see the amplifier now in all its sides and corners. So it's a heavy machine, it's not a toy. It comes with this box here inside, which contains the user manual and the remote control. Remote control is made out of aluminum, I can tell. It has small buttons, tiny buttons. Computer says here, play. It's a streaming, that's why you have to have this kind of buttons. You can play music here from your favorite streaming providers. So this is the manual. Our friend here, the great designer Bent Holter, founder of Hegel Music. Here is some quick start guide, how to start playing around with the amp. So there is an app to download. It's a streaming one, amplifier. It's Roon ready, Tidal Connect, Spotify Connect as well, AirPlay, Chromecast built in. So it has everything, even UPnP, DLNA. So here we can see the output of the amplifier. The output is 2 times 250 watts at 8 ohm, and the total weight of the H400 is 20 kilos. So what we have here, we're checking the amp from the back side. We see one fixed and one variable line level outputs, and inputs we have balanced ones, analog, and two more RCAs. Far away from each other, the speaker terminals here, very durable. One and the left on this side for the left speaker. And down here is the streamer and the DAC, the inputs and the outputs. So we have network, we can connect the amp with Ethernet in order to receive, streaming services, or to connect it to our network. Here we can connect our laptop, for example, or our external streamer if we have. What else we have? We have 3 inputs, optical ones, 1 coaxial, BNC input, SPDIF, BNC input, and BNC output for our digital signal. Okay, it's missing HDMI, I can tell, but it's okay. You can connect your TV by using an optical input here. We've taken a look underneath the amp to see the 4 feet that is featuring, very elastic, long ones. Let's have a closer look. You see the width of these pads. And here we see this is a very well-known button that turns on or off in the unit in a mechanical way. Here we see the heat sinks on the side for one per channel. In order to get to the menus, we go to the remote control and we press this play button for a few seconds. And now we have, as you can see, the menu of the device. Previous. Network not connected yet, sleep, auto in, automatically input switching, volume, adjust the volume remote to remote support, configuration for home theater use, DAC loop, reset the amp, exit, simple as that. This is the internal world of the amp. So we just unscrew first the screws and remove the cover. So let's have a global look, let's say, of the amp around by turning our stand around. We see the transistors here, one channel, the other channel, the heavy transformer, 4 capacitors per side, 2 small toroidal transformers there for other sections of the amp, and the outputs and all the cable inside. So the digital part is down there. So the DAC is based on ESS chipset, has XMOS, the well-known XMOS. The chipset here I can see is a PCM Burr Brown. and the digital board down there that does the streaming as well. Here is for the network. So the 4 transistors per side from Sanken, I think, Japan. 4 here and 4 on the other side. And the capacitors, they say Hegel, but probably they are from other manufacturer, from 10,000 microfarad each, 4 per channel. Look how many outputs this toroidal has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dependent one, you see this is for the one channel and this is for the other channel. Here we have a hub, let's say, of power that provides energy. It has regulators inside, two other, as we say, two other transformers, one on top of the other, that are receiving inputs here and outputs are going to the DAC and streamers section, which is this one. So this one is not for the DAC, for the DAC is this one here, this transformer. So pretty neat device, very well designed as usually. It looks a lot like Hegel inside. So very powerful, guys. 250 watts per channel at 8 ohms. So what? Turn on the unit by pressing the underneath button, and the amp is firing up, analog input, and we have lighting indicators here, source and volume, analog 2. This is the volume, you see big numbers, you can, this screen is OLED, I think I can tell, white one, goes up to 99, I think, 100. So extra power here is hidden. XLR input, network input, USB, optical, you see all the inputs are here, B and C. So let's take some measurements here. We're at 190 watts, 8 ohms, and we are looking for 0.3% THD. So it holds, the amplifier holds exceptional good. Let's go to 1%. It's 230, let's say, at 8 ohms. 0.3. It's there, it's 220 watts per channel. Not bad. Very reliable and very powerful amp. Extremely good. So guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. That was the Hegel H400, an integrated amplifier with streaming features, and what a beauty, 20 kilos. Thanks for watching.